Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called Text2Profit, which is a world's first app that uses AI to produce 100% human like content without writing a single word yourself, and launch your content writing agency and bank daily $200 payments in just less than 45 seconds. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $5,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello, so today I am super duper excited to bring to you this mind-blowing app that is not only going to revolutionize your writing game, but it's also going to fetch you some cool cash. Yes, I'm talking about Text2Profit app. The Text2Profit app is a first-of-its-kind AI that lets you rewrite and spin content for profit in 60 seconds or less. And this is done in just 2 steps. Now, the first step is find an article rewriting job on Fiverr or any other freelancing site. And now, the second step is copy and paste the article to Text2Profit, then rewrite in just 1 click. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how all of this is done in this tutorial video. Now, first things first, you're going to need to log in to Text2Profit by clicking on the link text2profit.com/login. So once you have clicked on the link, this is what you're going to be seeing, where you would need to log in using your email address and your password. So once you've logged into Text2Profit, this is what you're going to be seeing. This over here is just a basic overview of all your activities on the app. It lets you see the total number of articles that you have written. Here shows your daily article limit. This is based off whatever plan that you're using. And over here shows you the total number of DFY articles that you have. So let's get started. Over here is the AI article writer. This is where you get to rewrite your articles or manage articles. So taking on rewriting article, it takes us to this page. The AI article rewriter, as you can see, it is done in 3 steps. Step 1, rewrite a single article. Step 2, select words and phrases, and the last step is generate unique articles. Let's get started. In article title, we will be going for so here in this enter your article space is where you're going to be imputing your article. You can copy and paste. You can copy an article from whatever and just paste in this space over here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be creating the article. Just go ahead. So for the purpose of this tutorial, this is the text we're going with. It says, my name is Demago, and this is a tutorial on how to generate profit using this app. I hope it's easy to understand. So once you're done entering your article, you click on this rewrite button and watch the magic happen. As you can see, Text2Profit has helped us write this article by bringing new words, new phrases that we can substitute with what we initially put in this space. You can see over here giving us new words, new phrases to select from. So all you need to do is just select the words, select the phrases that is applicable to you or whatever it is that you are writing. So from here, it can be seen that we have selected the words and phrases from the options that Text2Profit brought to us. And once you're done selecting the words and phrases, you're going to need to finalize your article by clicking on this finalize article button. Isn't this just beautiful? So here now, Text2Profit has successfully generated a unique version of our article. Now what we have here is my name is Demogirl, and this is a tutorial on precisely how to create earnings using this application. I hope it is very easy to comprehend. So this is a unique version of the article that we initially inputted, and once you're done, you're satisfied with this version, you click on submit, and voila, you have successfully created an article. So if you're looking to download the article that you created, just click on this download button and it automatically gets downloaded to your system. Okay, let's keep moving. So back to the AI article writer. Over here is manage article. This lets you manage all the articles that you have created using the Text2Profit app. It lets you see all the articles that you can as well download or view or edit. So now that we have seen how to create an entirely new and unique article, let's go to how to make money using the Text2Profit app. So to do that, you need to go to this gigs option. So once you click on gig, you get to see that Text2Profit app is integrated with Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and People Per Hour. These are all freelancing sites that you can get gig. And mind you, you need to have an account with this freelancing site for you to use them. So all you need to do is check out article writing gigs on any of these freelancing sites, and once you have scored the gig, you come back to Text2Profit, and using a DFY content, you can create an entirely unique article. And that is that. Make money in seconds without breaking sweat. So over here, these are the packages that are available to Text2Profit. So that's that on how to use the Text2Profit app to not only step up your writing game, but also to make cool money without breaking the sweat. Thank you for watching this video.